Guys,
Hello.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Hardik. Guys, you are able to see me, but I'm able to see only three persons. Hardik, Rupak, Arpit. What about others? Guys, come up with the camera. Thank you. Thanks, Tarun, for coming up on the camera. Cool. Okay. Guys, I just want to ask with you which day we are at this point.
Fifth, I think.
This is the fifth day of our 55 days live interactive learning sessions. Okay, cool. Okay, and in the last 4 days, what we did, and in the last 4 days, where is our recording? Let me give you the answer straightforward because some student will ask directly that question because where is the recording from the last 3 days, last 4 days? Okay, so I'm directly showing that detail to you. Okay, as soon as you will come to the website, as soon as you will come to the website www.clouddevopshub.com, okay, and you will be landed into the page where it is saying that on the 12th of Feb we have started the batch 38. Yes, and this is the part of the batch 38 only. If I want you to click on this link, join the current batch. I want you all to click on this link, join the current batch. As soon as you will click here, you will get to know our syllabus, what we are going to do in the 55 days. And if someone will ask, because where is the recording? Where is the recording for the last previous days? If you will click here on the YouTube playlist itself, the recording is available. Okay, the day 1 recording is available here, day 2, day 3, day 4, and today the day 5 recording will also come into this place. Make sense? Are you agree? All good?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Professor.
Yes, I just want to listen from you guys on the 30-second or just 10-second. How was the last 4 days with me? Just one line answer.
It's very good.
Very good. Only Hardik is telling. What about this? Guys, I
It
just want to
was
listen.
yeah, it was easy to understand.
Thank you. Ajay, thanks for this comment. What about others?
Yes, sir, definitely good. If you are the fresher, you can also join, and if the experienced person also uh, can understand this course.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Tarun. Thank you. Okay. And let me come up into the syllabus. Okay. And in the last class, we have already covered up our about the DevOps related things. Okay. So I'm just making this thing as a green. Okay. And after that, now we are coming and we are starting the Linux from today. So you can say indirectly that today is the day 1 of Linux. Yes, you can say. If you are feeling that because I missed 3 classes, no need to worry. That was the foundation. We have made it for you guys for make you the stronger into the cloud as well as into the data center technology, as well as you will get the complete idea of the DevOps as well in the starting of the classes. Okay. Now this is the day 1 and we are able to understand. I'm 100% sure you will able to understand everything about the Linux in the today's class as well. Okay. So I'm coming here and we are starting from the very basic that this session is going to be cover up the things related to the Linux administration activities which has supposed to be used for the DevOps job role as well. If you are feeling that because I'm from the non-IT, is that possible? I can able to understand this part. Yes, definitely. If you are from the non-technical background, if you are a complete fresher, that is also fine because if you don't know the Linux, if you don't know the technology, you will never possible to come into the IT. Are you agree with my point? Yes, no? Yes, I need interaction from
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Yes,
Into the
sir.
chat box, please, everyone. At least write into the yes into the chat box, please. Everyone, please. Cool. Thank you, Puneet. Thanks, Pawan, Rupak. Thank you. Okay. And that's why we are learning this Linux. Okay. Cool. And in this session, what all things we are going to cover up, let me explain to you as well. Okay. And this we are doing in the part of multi-cloud and DevOps journey because in our group, in our batch 38 group, the batch which has been started on 12th Feb, the students are targeting a job of cloud, that is AWS, GCP, or DevOps. Okay. They are looking for this job and they have a target of around 20 plus LPA. That's why they are learning this into the 55 live interactive sessions. And I'm going to cover up or conduct this 55 live interactive sessions to make you the cloud and DevOps engineer. And to before making you into the cloud, before making you a DevOps engineer, I'm here to explain you the Linux first, and then we will go into the multi-cloud. Okay. Cool. And obviously, if your package is less or whatever is the package, doesn't matter at this point. Okay, but you have to make your target, you have to make your achievement for the 30 lakh, 40 lakh, or 50 lakh package in the next couple of months. Okay, that is our intention. Guys, if this is your intention, you are into the very right room, because from the last 2 days we are referring the people. If I will show you my WhatsApp group as well. Okay, let me show you, because in the last yesterday only we have referred our previous batch students, and let me show you the batch 37. Batch 37. Okay. Yep, I'm coming here. And if you will see here, some students are discussing about the jobs, roles, and responsibilities. Yes, that things are happening. And this is the sixth referral which we have provided for the 5+ years of experience. If any one of you who are good or strong into the Kubernetes or strong into the Terraform with any of the cloud knowledge, okay, you are most eligible. If you feel that you will able to crack the interview, I can conduct the interview by today itself. If anyone of you are feeling that you can able to do it, yes, please let me know. Even from our group, Naveen is going and giving the interview by today or by tomorrow. Okay, see, he is telling that I get a call. Okay, thanks Cloud DevOps up. He get a call, introduction call, and within 1 days, within 1 or 2 days, the client round will going to be happen. Okay, and guys, just they are telling that strong, but if you have a basic understanding or good understanding of Terraform and Kubernetes, you are most eligible to apply for this job. Any one of you. Okay, and another opening which we have for today itself. Okay, that what exactly it is completely for the Infosys. Okay, Infosys HR asked some profile for the Linux administrator. If you feel that because I'm not able to crack this interview at this point, no need to worry. Learn for 1 week. Okay, learn for 1 week the Linux. Okay, and then I already given this link into this community. I hope you all are into this community. Are you agree? You all are into this WhatsApp community, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if anyone in this group is not yet into the WhatsApp community, let me add you. I'm giving this link. Okay, please be available into this WhatsApp community as well, so that at least you will get an idea. Okay, or if you're already in some of the community, no need to join multiple communities or multiple groups. Okay, no need to join. If you are sitting in one of the community, either this or either batch 38 community, then no need to join multiple communities. Okay, cool. This is just to provide the information that we have a opening into this, and we are going to target this. And if still you are feeling that because I'm capable, I can able to crack the job right away by today. Also, if it's possible to sit into the interview, I am ready to send you for the interview as well by today itself. Okay. This is the Infosys job role. I'm just showing it here. Okay, and I'm just giving you the link into the chat box as well. Okay, if you feel that you can apply, you want to apply, you can feel free to apply, please here. Okay, but little bit if you have a good knowledge, it will be very very helpful for you. That's it. Okay, cool. Now we are coming back here, and I will feel that if you will learn the things and then apply, it will be very very helpful for you. Are you agree with my point, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay,
Yes.
so it's okay, it's not a problem if you will apply by Monday, next month means upcoming Monday or Tuesday, that is also fine, but prepare it. Okay, and I'm here to prepare the things for you. Okay, and now we are going to learn the Linux administrator. And after 2 weeks, because first you have to digest the Linux, around 100 Linux command for different varieties. Okay, the theory, 30% theory or 40% theory you have to understand, and 70% practicals you have to do it. Then only you will able to understand the Linux administrator. After 3 weeks of duration, okay, I will teach you the shell scripting as well. Okay, so that what happen, whatever the Linux commands, you will able to make it able to remember it in the 3 weeks of duration. Then you can able to create a script, you can able to create the automations also with the help of Linux shell scripting as well. Okay, so in this session both the things are going to be get cool. Okay, and now we are coming here, and let me tell you, come up on the camera, it will be good guys, your focus will be more and you will able to learn or you will able to understand better. If possible, come up on the camera, it will be good for you. Okay, and the good thing is like people will know you, people will know each other. Are you agree, yes or no? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right, if let's assume you are looking for a job and you ask the referral. Okay, and I'm 100% sure someone definitely sitting from the Infosys in this group also, right? So he can help you out, he can help you out for the referral as well. Are you agree, yes or no?
Yes.
right? So if you come up with a camera, if you will interact, if you will help each other, if you will give the answers to each other, okay, what will happen? People will know each other and we are a small team. Okay, cool. And now I'm coming here and we are going to understand the Linux in the today's session. We will start from very basic operating system. We will start with Linux, what exactly the Linux is. We will start why Linux is very popular. We will understand the open source tools like why open source tools or open source operating systems also. We will understand the GitHub because the Linux code is available into the GitHub. So I'm going to teach you that also. After that, we will compare the Linux and Windows. After that, we will compare Linux and Unix. We will understand the file system of the Linux. We will understand the multiple possible ways to create a Linux machines. Okay. And I'm going to teach to you. Tell me how many ways you want. Two, three, four, five. Tell me how many numbers, how many ways you want to learn. Any number. Tell me how many ways.
3.
Three. Okay. Anyone else beyond that? You want to learn more than that approach? We have three major clouds, right? AWS, GCP, Azure. So if you will create with in the all the three clouds, you will able to do it. So no need to worry. Three is very bare minimum requirement. What is more requirement to create multiple machines?
Five
Guys,
to six.
5 to 6. Okay. If you will say that I know 5 to 6 ways to create a Linux server or Linux environment, then the interviewer will be impressed, right? Yes or no? And then you are giving an opportunity to ask the questions. Okay, so very important, you must have to impress the interviewer as well by saying something good into the environment. And if you
Swami.
guys, be on mute. Okay, please be on mute, my humble request. Otherwise, like others, I also have an option to to block all you. Okay, but I don't want to do because it's a live interactive sessions. So be on mute, guys. Everyone be on mute. If you're not talking, be on mute, please. Okay, my humble request. If next time any background noise came from your side, I will directly remove. Okay, cool. Now we will use the multiple 5 to 6 ways to create a Linux virtual machine. Okay, and then we will understand the hierarchy. We will understand the Linux command. Tell me in the today's class how many Linux command you want to learn with me. Into the chat, unmute and speak up. How many commands you want to learn?
At least 20.
20. Okay, I'm
Command.
done. Okay, at least 20 commands we will learn in the today's session. Okay, if 20 will not happen, I will not complete this session. Cool? Agree?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes.
Or at least 1 or 2 ways also we will see into the today's class, and 20 Linux command we will see into the today's session. Okay. And including today is the first day, so definitely 30% theory will be there for sure. Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, 80% or 90% directly practicals will happen in this session. Okay. Cool. Now, if I will ask you the question why we are here, what is the intention? Okay, the intention is very simple, guys. Okay, you are into the low package, one reason. Okay, you are into the non-IT. Okay, or you are doing some manual work, you are struggling with your job, you are not getting a high package, your resumes are getting rejected because no technical stuffs are there. If this is the situation, I'm helping you out to build a stable career into the IT by learning the things. Okay, no shortcut, no shortcut. You have to learn the things, then only you will able to survive into the IT. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
If you take the shortcut, 1 day, 2 day, 4 days, you will be happy. After that, you have to struggle a lot. Okay, so please learn the things, then only it will be achievable. Can I get agree from all of you into the chat box, please? Can I get agree from all of you? Hardik is agree with me, Anu is agree, Praveen, Ajay. Thank you guys, everyone. You must have to be agree. Okay, no shortcut, shortcut never works. Okay, for the short duration it may works, but after that it will not help. Okay, cool. And now, what exactly the operating system is? Go ahead, guys. Simple answer. Can you give me what is operating system?
Operating system is, it talks to the kernel, and then it processes the hardware, and then, gives the result on your screen.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Okay. Answer. Okay. Anyone else? Prithvi is telling into the chat box. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Operating system like is a system software that can all manages all the computing devices, like
Correct.
all resources. It can interacting with the hardware and the software as well.
Operating
cool.
system is the core of the system. It's the core part.
Okay. Please think it.
Operating
You are judging yourself also that you are able to give the answer or not. Are you agree?
operating system is the software which interact with the hardware and the software of the system on device.
Okay, chalo. Whatever the Mayank is telling, let me try to explain to you. Okay. This is my laptop hardware. Task manager. In the task manager, hardwares are coming. CPU, memory, disk. These are my hardwares. Correct? Yes or no? Are you agree? These
Yes.
hardwares are
Yes.
getting consumed by this application. Zoom, Chrome, Microsoft Edge. So many applications are there. The hardware is getting consumed by the applications. Correct? And who is providing this applications are directly connected to the hardware? No, it is running on the operating system, and operating system is a middle software who is getting connected with the hardware and providing the required resources to the applications. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Chalo, let me come up into the definition as well. Okay. Operating system is a system software. We will call operating system as a system software that manage the computer hardware, software resources, and provide the common service for the computer programs. When I'm talking about the applications, yes, it will provide the services to the computer program. If you will see here, your hardware is here. Okay, your hardware, and the last line is the hardware. Okay, we have the hardware. In the hardware, the operating system has been installed. After that, from the operating system, the UI is coming. Okay, a system interface has been created, and we are running the application, and the running application can be used by the user. I'm the user. I'm using the application. Let's take an example. This is Chrome. I'm using the Chrome application, but Chrome is running on the interface of the operating system, and whatever the Chrome is consuming the CPU memory, or I'm using the Zoom, whatever the CPU memory is consumed by the this application is provided by the operating system. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Or if someone will say it is the interface between the user and hardware, yes, absolutely. Operating system is the interface between the user and
User
hardware.
and hardware.
Okay, guys, if no one will ask this question, but you have to be aware about it. Okay, cool. And if someone will ask types of operating system, yes, you can give that Microsoft Windows, Apple, Mac OS, okay, Linux. These are the types of operating systems. Okay, cool. Now I'm coming here, and if I will ask the very simple question, is Linux is the operating system? What do you say? Yes or no? Can I get the answer into the chat box?
Yes.
Yes
Yes,
or
Yes.
no into the
Linux
chat
is
Yes.
the
box?
operating systems.
No.
Linux is a operating system. Okay, what about others? Yes, can
No,
you write
sir.
into the chat box? Can you write into the chat box? Everyone? Everyone?
No. It's
Guys, please write into the chat box, please. Prasad is telling yes, Archana is telling yes, Rupak is telling yes, okay, Vikas Suryavanshi is telling yes, Prithvi, Heman, lot of around 70% people are telling Linux is a operating system. But guys, in the interview, don't say it's a operating system. Okay? Don't say, please. Okay? Then Vikas, what to say? Linux is an
Kernel.
kernel.
scripting one.
Okay, kernel. Guys,
Yeah.
in the interview you have to say kernel. Okay, don't say operating system into the interview. Okay, the answer is correct, I'm not telling wrong, but when the interviewer is asking, he has a something in his mind, that's why he's asking the question. Correct? Otherwise no one will ask this simple question. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So when the interviewer asks this question, is Linux is the operating system, don't say. You can say that, yeah, we can say that it's the operating system, but as per your understanding, it's a kernel. Now the question will come, what is kernel? Anyone knows? Anyone knows what is kernel?
Yeah, the kernel is the interface between the operating system and the hardware.
Yes.
Okay, the same definition we given for the
Yeah.
operating OS also. No, there is a minor difference into that. Okay, no problem. Can you take as a small homework? Can you take as a small homework? What is kernel? Take as a
Kernel
small
is
homework. It's okay,
kernel is an
Ankit, it's okay.
interface between firmware and operating system.
Okay, fine. Let's take as a small homework. Okay, what is kernel? Okay, you will get the definition into the internet or in the Google, but I will explain you in the end of the session. But take as a homework. Okay, at this point. Okay, but when I'm coming here, just key points which you have to remember it. Okay, Linux is a open source kernel. Okay. Is someone will ask is a OS? You can say, but it's not a very good answer. Okay. Linux has been developed by the community developed. Community developments, it has been developed by the community. Okay. Or when I'm talking about the open source means the code also will be available in somewhere. Yes or no? When I'm talking about any of the application which is open source, the code will be available. And guys, as into the IT, where will be the code? Tell me the location.
GitHub.
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 What is GitHub?
Central repository.
What is GitHub? What is GitHub?
GitHub is a
Code
cloud
repository.
storage where the all the codes are being stored.
Correct. Every application, if it's a open source, the code is going to be get maintained into the GitHub repositories. Okay, cool. Now, because where is the code of the Linux? We would like to see. Okay, no problem. You can go to the Google. Okay, you can go to the Google with me. Linux code GITHUB. Just type this and press enter. Okay, you will get one repo. Okay, and it is telling Linux kernel open source tree. Okay, if you will click here, you will get to know this is the code of the Linux available. Okay, now here is the code of the Linux. It is available into the GitHub. That's why we are calling as a open source. Okay, second, it is developed by the community development. Okay, it has been developed by the community. If it's a community means more than one or more than 100 members will be there. Yes or no? Can you tell
Yes.
me? Can you tell me? Can you guess it? How many members will has written the code of Linux? How many members or how many people has written the code of Linux till now?
The contributors shows 5,000 plus. Bottom right.
55,000. 55,000. Okay.
One is 5,000, one is 55,000. Big gap, man. Big gap. Come up in the at least minimum number, proper number.
5K.
5K. Okay, chal. If you don't know, no worries. The answer is 15,000 different contributors are there who has written the code of Linux. Clear? Got it? Now, my
Yes.
second interview question, second basic interview question. If the code of Linux is written into some code as a code, in which language the code has been written? What is the language?
Maximum C.
C language.
C. Okay, if you will say the answer C into the interview, in next question will come how much percentage into the C?
98% plus.
58. I just see.
Okay. Guys, can everyone write it into the chat box? One is 58, one is 98. I'm confused. Can you write into the chat box? How much percentage? Guys, go ahead. See, if you're not writing means you don't know the answer. Simple. If you are saying something means at least you are aware that okay, the percentage can also be the question.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
98.3%, I guess.
Okay, cool. Yep. Okay. And where it is calculated? Yes, it is calculated here. In the C language, 98.3% is written into the C language. Got it? Guys, these are very basic interview questions. Basics. There may be chances no one will ask, but if you are aware about it, your confidence will be high. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Because see, when you say it's written into the C language, interview will say, okay, how much percent in C? How much percentage in C++? What is the difference between C and C++? This type of basic questions may ask. Okay. And the correct answer is Linux has been written 98.3 into the C language, 0.7 into the assembly, 0.4 into the shell, 0.02 in Python, 0.02 into Mac language, Perl, and some other language. But the answer is 98.3 into the C language. Okay. Now, next interview question. Mank, don't give the answer. Okay. Or someone, my previous batch student, don't give the answer. Okay. I have a question. If this is a code, how to download the code? I want to download this
We
code.
can go for the code here.
Okay. We can go into this
Red
code
line.
button.
Then
Okay.
enter. Then download zip.
Okay. Guys,
I
everyone,
believe
how
git
many?
clone should be.
Wait. How many people with Hemant? How many people with Hemant? This option. How many people with Hemant that if I will click here, the code will be downloaded? Are yes, no?
Yes.
No, a big no.
Big no. Okay. If you will help Hemant, Hemant will get rejected into the interview, or others will also get rejected into the interview. Now tell me what is the reason why we don't have to select this option. There are three options available. Okay. Open in GitHub's desktop. clone option and zip option. You don't have to choose this option ever. Now tell me why. What is the reason? Why?
Since we are
Changes won't
downloading
be
in
saved.
Linux.
Changes
You
won't
can
be saved.
download it locally actually. Or if you
Okay.
wanted to clone repository, then we can go for SSH.
Okay. Okay. Guys, why we don't have to select this option? Because if we are rejecting some option, why? What is the reason? This
Because it
option,
will download all the codes as a file.
but my requirement is also downloading the code, right? So it's fulfilling my requirement. Requirement will get fulfilled, but this is not a good practice. Okay. If you are an engineer, if you are saying that you are a DevOps engineer, you are a Linux admin engineer, or you are an engineer, software developer engineer, then you will never select this option because this option is only for the management people who don't know the technical stuff. Okay. If you want to be into the technical side, if you really want to do the technical activities, then you have to choose this option. You have to copy the URL of this and you have to run the command with the help of tool git. You have to download the code into the local machine. Okay, let me do it in front of you, and no need to worry, I will teach everything. Okay, when you will come into the DevOps classes, I will teach you all these things. Okay, at this point we are just learning the Linux, so I'm just doing it. What is the date today, guys? What is the date?
18.
18th.
18 Feb. Okay, I'm creating one folder as 18 Feb. I'm coming into this folder. It is completely empty. I'm doing it. What I'm doing it, I'm opening a
Git
git
bash.
bash. I'm opening a git tool. Okay, and now my git bash has been opened. I'm typing ls, and at this point it is empty. So empty here is empty. Here is empty. I'm into the 18 Feb. Okay, now I'm running the command git
Git clone.
clone git
Repo
clone.
copy.
Okay, and I'm doing the repo URL, and as soon as I press enter, cloning will happen and the Linux code is getting downloaded. Correct?
Yes.
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 This is the approach we have to follow. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, yes guys, we have to follow this approach if you are an engineer. Okay, if you're not an engineer, you can go with that approach. Okay, and if you follow this approach, then only in the interview you will get shortlisted, selected. Okay, now next question, one more next question. If the code, assume that complete code has been downloaded, I cancel it, but assume the complete code has been downloaded. Now what is the next step? What, as an engineer, as a DevOps engineer, as a developer, what I can do it?
Open the code through IDE.
Correct. Open the code through
We
IDE.
can add changes if any.
Correct. We can develop a new feature. We can do the changes. Yes.
And we
What
can
else?
push also.
We can push. We can resell also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. We can push. We can do the changes and we can resell also. Possible. Yes. You will, as a, now guys, till now it's okay. But now as a developer, as a DevOps engineer, okay, you have to right click, you have to open this into the Visual Studio Code, any of the IDE, okay, and then the code will be visible to you and you can do the changes. Now the development knowledge will be required from here. Agree?
Agree.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not taking you at this point. Okay, I will take you after 10 days. Okay, not now. After 10 days, I will take you into that place. Okay. Cool, but the good part is at least we know some definition or we know a little bit about the Linux. Okay, just Linux is open source because the code is available into the GitHub. Community developed because 15,000 different developers has been written. It is very secure, it is very stable and good into the performance wise. That is a Linux. Okay, now I'm coming into the actual definitions. Okay, what you have to say if someone will ask in the interview, what you have to say, you have to say Linux is open source, the code is available into the GitHub, developed by community, 15,000 different developers are there who develop this, and we will call Linux is an open source kernel. Okay, if you will say operating system, that is also fine, but say it's a kernel. Okay, it used for the computers, servers, mainframe, mobile devices and embedded devices. Okay, it supports almost all the varieties of computer platform, including 32-bit, guys beyond mute, including 32-bit, including 64-bit, including ARM processor, or even into the supercomputers also this operating system is getting used. Okay, Linux is very similar to the Unix. The design of the Linux and Unix is very similar. I can say that from the idea of Unix, the Linux has been developed. Means first Unix came. Anyone, any idea when the Unix has been came into the picture? How many years back?
1963.
63. Okay, means you are telling around 40 plus years. Yes, guys, the answer is correct.
Yes.
40 years back, the Unix came. And when the Linux came? Around 1990. Okay. So from first the Unix came, and from the idea of Unix, the Linux came. Now there is a difference between Unix and Linux. Okay. But park for a couple of minutes. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the difference. But at this point, from the idea of Unix, the Linux has been came. Who came first? Who came
Unix.
first?
Unix.
Unix came first. Okay, because this is one of the interview question, and some student given the wrong answer. They said Linux came and then Unix came. No, first Unix came and then the Linux came to the picture. Okay, cool. And is Linux is the only operating system which is open source? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
No.
No, and you are absolutely correct. Okay, you are absolutely correct. If I'm going into this repo, okay, I'm giving you this URL of the repo URL. Okay. Mm, I'm giving you this URL. Okay, and as soon as you will go here so many awesome operating systems are available. Okay, if the code is available into GitHub means all are open source. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
all are open source, and you will see a 9 front AROS, admit oral, animal, and so many operating systems are available. Okay, so many open source operating systems are available. Okay, and out of that, in the popular operating system category, one of the Linux is also one of the operating systems. Cool. Linux is not everything. Linux is one of the operating system or one of the popular kernel. Cool. Okay, so I'm giving you this link. No need to do anything, but at least have a look, spend some time so that you will get a more confidence on it. Okay, cool. And yes, I given the Linux repo also. I will give it to you right away also. Here is the repo of Linux as well. Okay, into the chat box. Okay, or these all links are available into the PPT. No need to worry. No need to worry. Okay, all links are already available into the PPT as well. Cool, guys. All good till now? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay,
Yes.
let's go more deeper into it. Now I have a question. Why Linux is popular? Can you give me the answer? Why Linux is popular? What is the reason?
Open source, it is secure.
Open source, secure. Yes. Two reasons I got
It's
it. What about
virus
the
free.
virus free means secure? Yes. Already its answer came. Yes.
There is no lag.
Performance. Okay, you can say
Performance is
performance wise is good. Stability wise is good. Okay. What else?
Multi-user multitasking.
Multi-user multitasking is possible with the less resources. Okay, guys, give the complete answer. Yes, 5 points.
Better community to develop.
Okay,
It's a
okay,
better.
okay. No, this is not a primary reason. Okay, yeah, go ahead, guys, go ahead. Answers.
It's used for software development.
Shoots for software development. Okay, chalo. What else? Yes, go ahead. We already get 5 reasons. Okay, first, it is completely free of cost. It's a open source, free of cost available. You don't have to purchase any license. This is one of the reason to get the Linux become popular because it is free. Point number one. Second, the code itself is available into the internet, into the GitHub. Okay, you can download the code. If you want to customize the code, you can do the changes and you can utilize it, or even if you feel that you want to sell it as a new feature, as a licensed product, that is also possible. You can do that. Make sense? Okay, another reason, it is secure. Can anyone tell me the reason why it is secure? What is the reason? What is the reason behind it? Why it is secure?
Because this is
Answer.
a command line, the process, that is the reason.
Okay, one of the reason it's a
File.
command line. Okay, CLI, it has CLI. Okay, what else?
Because of its file system.
Because of his file system. Okay, it doesn't support exe. Okay, it doesn't support MSI. Okay, or it doesn't support open file systems. Okay, so what will happen? Whatever the virus or whatever the vulnerabilities are there, it will be packed into this formats. And if Linux doesn't support this, it will never open into the Linux, and the vulnerability will not get spread. That's why the Linux is secure. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Another reason, stability and performance wise, it is very good. Can anyone prove that with some real-time example? Can you prove this? No?
We can check with the task manager.
What we
There's
can
no
check
task
into the
manager
No,
no
in
no
we
in
have
the
Linux.
task.
Linux task manager is there. What is the command?
Oh, that is top command.
PS.
Top is the command, and we can able to see the task manager into the Linux machine. Okay, yeah, but what is the reason why stability and performance wise is good?
Unusual memory consumption is not there.
Unnecessary consumption is not there. I agree with your point. Okay, what else?
Because GUI option is not here in the Linux.
Correct. In the Linux, GUI will be disabled. Okay. When we are using the Linux into the servers, we will never use the GUI. If someone will ask what is because what is GUI? Can anyone give me the answer? What is GUI?
It's the
Graphical
graphical user
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 interface.
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 User interface.
Graphics. Okay. See, guys, I am using the graphics. I am using the pens and all these things. These are the graphics. Yes or no?
Yes.
And end user like it. End user like this graphics. You know, you like this graphics or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Right, end user like this graphics, but when we are into the server wise, we doesn't require this type of graphics. Okay, but because stability and performance wise is good, can you prove it? I will prove it. Okay, let's take an example. This is my Windows machine. Okay, in my Windows machine, if you will see here memory. Okay, what is memory? It's a RAM, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Current consumption of the RAM is how much?
45%, 10
45%,
gigabytes.
10.8, around to 10 GB it is getting used at this point, correct?
Yes.
Out of 10 GB, when I'm coming into the memory, 3 GB is getting used by Chrome and 1/2 GB is getting used by the Zoom. These are the two major applications who is consuming my 4 GB of RAM. Agree?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
if you will combine everything, 1 more GB, 5 GB of the RAM is getting used at this point by my applications. But current users is 10 GB. Who is eating my 5 GB of RAM? Who is eating?
GUI and other resources.
Windows operating system GUIs are consuming my 5 GB of RAM. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, obviously same thing is happening for the CPU also. We can't calculate very easy, but yes, 40% of CPU is getting used at this point. Out of that, if you will see here, 25% is getting by Zoom and rest is just 1 or 2 5%. Okay, so we can say 30% is CPU is getting used, but if you will see here, 37% is getting, means some 7 to 8% of CPU's extra consumption is happening, which is happening by the operating system. Agree?
Yes.
This problem will not happen into the Linux. Okay, this is not a problem. Actually, we are using the GUI. That's why we are doing this. Okay, if we are not using the GUI, we doesn't require a heavy servers. Okay, let's assume. Let's take a just basic example. Okay, you are running one of the application. Let's take an example. Only the application is Steam Deck. Okay, this is one of the application Steam Deck, one of the application of your product. Okay, of your company. You have to run only this application in your machine. And do you feel that you have to purchase 8 GB machine, 10 GB machine for this
No.
only machine? No, right?
No.
For this only application, we doesn't require a heavy hardware. If you will take a very basic app hardware also, which has a 1% of CPU and 0.8 MB, okay, means if you will take a 20 MB machine also, we can able to survive. Yes or no? There is no 20 MB machine, but 2 GB of machine, if you will take it, we will able to survive. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, so what exactly I would like to say here, if you are using the Windows, we need a heavy hardware. In the real time, we doesn't require a heavy hardware. That's why Linux is popular, and every company, tell me how many percentage the Linux is getting used as a server in every company. How much percentage?
More than 90.
I
90.
agree, more than 90% companies, all the applications are running into the Linux environment. So do you feel that you have to be aware about the Linux? Yes or no? If you want to be into the IT, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, this is the must. You have to be aware about it. Okay. Cool. If someone, no one will ask this basic question, but you have to be aware about it. Okay, cool. I will come up which questions will be asked. Okay, let's compare a little bit Windows and Linux. Windows is one of the most popular and simplest operating system, which can be used by any of the person who can able to read, write, or understand the basic English. If you know the basic English, you can able to use the Windows. If you have a kid, if your kid is of 6 to 7 years, he know basic English, he can use with the mouse and he can perform the activity into the laptop, Windows laptop. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes,
Yes.
no, right? Possible.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know to run Windows operating system? To run Windows operating system. Acha, chalo, I will ask one simple question. How many people has purchased the laptop without operating system? Anyone here? Without Windows operating system? Anyone of you? Because if you purchase with the Windows operating system, 4,000 rupees extra you have to give. Sometime it is coming as free, okay, but 4,000 rupees extra for the operating system you have to give. Anyone of you purchase the laptop without operating system, without Windows operating system? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, I did.
Ajay, you did it. Then what you did after that? After purchasing the laptop, what you did? You have installed the operating system by own?
Yes,
Yes.
we can install the operation like Linux or whatever Ubuntu.
Correct, whatever the operating system you can install it, right? But you have to be available operating system into one of the pen drive, and then you put the pen drive, and then the pen drive, whatever the data was available into the pen drive, your hardware is able to understand. Do you feel that hardware can able to understand directly pen drive data?
No, it has to be bootable.
It has to be bootable, but bootable also, see, hardware is like this is I can say that this is also my mouse is also hardware. If I will put the pen drive directly here of the bootable, he will understand.
No.
No, right? We need something. There is something in between. That is called DOS operating system. That is
Yeah.
called DIX operating system. It was available in your it was available over your hardware. Then you put the Windows bootable pen drive, and then he will able to understand. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So someone will ask, okay, when you work into the traditional approach, okay, traditional approach means there is a what I can say, there is a hardware CPU memory rack. If you will purchase the CPU memory rack and put the bootable pen drive, it will not understand. First, DOS has to be get installed into the bootable hardware, and then the operating system will be used. So this is the basic necessary need. If you want to run any of the operating system, DOS will be required. DIX operating system will be first available into the hardware, then only it will work. Make sense? Guys,
Yes.
getting my point, or
Yes.
it's
Yes.
going high level?
Yes. No,
It
no.
is
Yes. Yes.
it is
Pretty
very
basic.
basic, okay? Very
Yeah.
basic, okay? Similar way. Linux is also one of the very popular version of Unix. I am coming up into the Unix in the next 10 minutes, no need to worry, but it is very similar to the Unix, okay? And it is open source. Course code is available, freely available into the market, is free to use and design very similar to the Unix. Okay, cool. I will come up into the Unix, no need to worry. Let's see the basic difference between Linux and Windows. Linux is free, open source. Windows is not open source. Okay, we have to purchase the license for the Windows. Linux is very high efficient as compared to Windows. The hardware capabilities, if you have a 2 GB of RAM into the Linux, it will be very, you can run lot of heavy applications. But if you have a 2 GB of RAM into the Windows, Windows will work. What do you say?
No, the operating system itself will take 2 GB.
Correct. For the operating system itself, he will say, I need 6 to 8 GB of RAM to survive at least the UI. So guys, this is the difference. Okay. Windows Linux required less efficiency. Okay. In place of the same price, see 8 GB RAM, if you will purchase here, 8 GB RAM here, here you will get 4 machines, here you will get 1 machine. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, everyone agree or not agree? So
Yes.
here you will get lot of machines, okay, in the same pricing. That's why companies are using the Linux as compared to Windows. Okay, Linux is using the forward slash, Windows is using the backward slash. Linux is highly secure, Windows is not highly secure as compared to Windows. This is the difference. I hope you will able to remember the difference. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Every one of you?
Yes.
Cool, thank you. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm coming here. Now we understood the theory of the Linux. Okay, now I would like to create some machines. Okay, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 ways I have at this point. Okay, I will not give all the 7 to 8 ways right away. Okay, we will go with the best approach. Very first approach will be the best approach. The approach is go into any of the cloud, go to any of the cloud and create a machine. This is the best approach. You can go to any of the cloud, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud, or Azure Cloud. You can go any of the cloud and we can create a machine there. Okay, this is the best approach we have to follow. But to create a account into the Google Cloud, we have some dependency, like we need a credit card. Correct? Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes, yes.
Right? We required a credit card or debit card. With the help of that, we have to create account. Means AWS, GCP, Azure. If you want to go, we need an account. Then only we will able to go there. So guys, yes, it's okay, guys. If you really have a target of more than 10 LPA package, okay. If you have a target of 10 LPA package, you must have to create an account on the any of the cloud. Okay, if you feel that because no, I don't have a target of 10 LPA, no need to worry. There are some open source ways are also available. We can use that. Okay, first let me 10 minutes I will spend with the open source free approach. Then I will take you into the higher package approach. Okay, I am taking you in a simple approach called playground. What is playground? Anyone of you knows what is playground? Anyone of you?
Virtual stimulator.
Virtual stimulator. Okay, anything else? Any other keyword?
It is a layer to practice.
It is a layer to practice. Yes, you can practice there. Okay, so the playground name is labs.playwithdocker.com. If you will come up here, as soon as you will come up here, okay, I will help you out. Guys, can anyone of you give me your email ID? Can you guys give me your email ID? Anyone of you who don't have the account here, who don't have the account here? Or guys, if you want to share, any one of you want to share the screen, you can share the screen. Whatever I will tell you, you have to perform that activity. Means just one click and your account will be get created. Okay, first give me your email ID. Any one of you give me your email ID. Yamini has given the email ID to me. So what I'm doing it, I'm opening this link. I will give this link also, guys. No need to worry. Okay, I'm giving this link. You have to go into the incognito. I'm going into the incognito window. You don't have to go into the incognito window. I'm clicking on login. I click on the Docker. Okay, and here there is an option called sign up. Okay, I am signing up. But if you have a Gmail account, if you have your own Gmail account, just click on the Gmail account and your account will be get created. Okay, so I'm giving this link. Any one of you please share the screen. Who want to share the screen and do in front of everyone? Any one of you? Guys, it's a interactive session.
Sir, me.
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay, any one of you please share the screen. Giri or anyone. Okay, please share the screen. Tarun. Guys, you will learn how to share the screen also. Okay, cool. Giri has shared the screen. Okay, yeah. Giri, open I given the link labs.play. Copy the link from the chat box. Giri, copy the link labs.playwithdocker.com from the chat box.
Incognito
No,
mode.
not in incognito mode. You can do it here only. Yes, click on this link. Guys, see the Giri screen. See the Giri screen. Just for 10 seconds, see the Giri screen. Giri came into this URL. Click on the login. Click on the login. Correct. Click on the Docker. Come little bit out. Click on the Docker. Correct. With the help of Docker, the account will be get created. Click on the continue with Google. Continue with Google. Continue with Google. Down. Continue with Google. Correct. Click on continue. Giri, I think you already have the account, right?
Yes.
Click on the accept. Click on the accept, and you will be landed into the environment. The start button is coming. Click on the start. Okay, and guys, this is how just the account has been created. Giri, wait. The account is created. Guys, I want someone else to create an account from the starting. One more person. Giri, you can stop the screen. Your account is created. I want one more person to create an
Yeah, let
account.
me share it, sir.
Yeah, Giri, you can stop the screen. Yes, go ahead. One more person, please. Because some people will say, Vikas, repeat it. So I am repeating it directly. Okay, guys, now Tarun is sharing the screen. Okay, yeah, cool. Tarun, you went into this link. Cool. Okay, after going into this link, click on the login, click on the Docker. Correct. Wait, what happened, Tarun? Your machine hanged?
No, sir.
Do it again.
क्लिक नहीं हुआ.
Click नहीं हुआ. Please do it again.
Tarun, click on the login and Docker again.
Yeah, click on the drop down, the arrow button, which is pointing downwards.
I think I have. Okay, let me just open
Tarun,
it.
I think you are not sharing the full screen. Share your full screen itself. Okay,
Okay.
because there may be chances another pop-up came and we are not able to see. Okay, share your full screen. Tarun, fast. Let's assume you are sitting into the interview. Interviewer will reject you if you are not smart. Cool. Okay, Tarun, cancel it. Cancel everything. Cancel everything. Cancel everything. We want to see from the starting. Cancel it. Yes. Okay, guys, you have to go to the labs.playwithdocker.com website. Click on the login. Yes, click on that and click on the Docker. Yes. Okay. One more pop-up. One more window will open. In this window, it is asking to choose the username. Choose the username as your Tarun. No, Tarun Upadhyay, copy everything. Copy everything. Tarun Upadhyay 1830, same thing. Tarun, what I'm telling, copy paste everything. Your email ID before @ yes.
Okay.
Copy everything and remove after the @ wala part. Correct. Remove after the @ wala part. Correct. Send the occasional email. Send the occasional updates and announcement.
I check.
Chalo, accept it. Accept the terms and condition. Okay. Accept, authorize, yes, 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 accept, and yes, start button is coming. Guys, as soon as start button is coming, your account is created and you will be landed into the playground. Okay, Tarun, guys, now I
Yeah.
have a question. Can you guess, or can you please let me know how much time it will take to create a virtual machine? How much time will be required to create
2
any of the
minutes.
virtual machine?
2 minutes. Maximum 2
It's
minutes.
1 minute.
1 minute. And how many clicks will be minimum required? How many clicks will be required?
3 to 4.
1 click.
3 to 4 click. Okay, but here only one click is required, and within 5 seconds you will get a machine. Tarun, just click on the add new instance. Click on the add new instance. Right side add new instance. Yes, and as soon as you will click on creating, your machine is ready. Now
Yeah.
you can play the at least Linux into this place. Got it?
Yes.
Click on one more time add new instance, and one more instance will be get created. That's it. This is how the machine has been created. Guys, got it? How many people has not understood? Please let me know. How many people not able to understand this? Please let me know. Got it, got it. Yes, so many people are telling got it, good. Anyone here who is telling, please repeat, Vikas, please repeat. Anyone want to say? Oh my God, everyone is able to got it. Good, good. Thank you. Thank you. Chalo, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. I will repeat it quickly. Okay. I'm going into this URL. Okay. I'm opening my incognito window. Okay. And now I'm here in the browser. Okay, as soon as I will go into the labs.playwithdocker.com, okay, you will be landed here. And if as soon as you guys bookmark this link, please bookmark this, everyone. Okay, log in, click on the Docker. Now if you already have the Docker account, your username will come, continue. Okay, it will ask the password, you have to provide the password, continue, and then what will happen, you will be landed into the environment. If this start button is coming for you, all good. Okay, everything is done. Just click on the start and you will be landed into the Docker playground. Okay, and as soon as you will be landed into the Docker playground, here for the 4 hours free of cost account will be available for you. Whatever you want to do, you can do it in this servers. Okay, I need a one machine, I can click on the add new instance and one machine has been created for me. I need one more machine, I can click here and one more machine has been created. Got it? Is this stuff?
No, easy.
Guys, tell me, is this stuff?
It's easy.
Easy.
Very, very easy. Okay, now you have a Linux environment. Tell me some simple basic Linux command. Simple Linux command.
ls command is
Okay, ls. Yes, ls is working. Tell me any other
PWD.
command.
pwd.
pwd, present working directory. Yes, I'm into the root location.
mkdir.
mkdir. Okay,
Yeah.
who given this answer? Roshan.
CD.
Okay, and yes, my account, my
Hostname
Linux commands.
CTL.
Yes,
Tree.
yes, that's it. That's it. Okay, okay. What I would like to say, my basic Linux commands are up and running here. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
If I will teach you the Linux command now, you can able to practice into this place. Correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but guys, this is just a playground. You can't say this into the interview that you learn the things on the playground. You have to say that I learned the things into the cloud. I learned the things for the higher package job, right? You learn the things into the real time. What do you want to say? You learn. You will say into the interview, I learned with Vikas, and then I'm giving the interview, or you will say you did the work into the real time, and then you are giving this interview. What do you say?
Yeah, we worked in a real
Did the
time.
work.
You work into. You will not say that I learned with Vikas and I'm giving the interview, right?
Yes.
Vikas told me to ask 20 lakh package. That's why I'm giving the interview. No, you are capable. That's why you are asking the 20 lakh package. Are you agree?
Yes.
Guys, are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
For
Yes.
that, this approach is not good. This is just for the learning purpose. For that, the approach will be like we have to create a cloud account, AWS account, GCP account, or any of the cloud account. Then we have to learn all these things, right? In the next 5 minutes, I'm just showing my Google Cloud account. But in the tomorrow class, I want all of you to create a Google Cloud account. Agree?
Agree, sir, agree.
Yeah.
Okay,
Agree.
if you don't have the cloud account, you cannot ask the higher package. Okay, cool. So what I'm doing it, I'm going, we have the account is ready. Okay, I have my own account. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I will come up here. Okay, and I'm going into another approach called cloud approach, and I'm going into this place, the console.cloud.google.com. As soon as I will go into this URL, what happened, I have landed into my Google Cloud homepage. This is the homepage of my Google Cloud. You will able to see my project name is visible here, my project number is visible here, my project ID is visible here, or some billing related information or my favorite related things will be available in my home page. It is mentioned that home dashboard. You can call as a console dashboard of the Google Cloud, you can say home page of the Google Cloud, or you can say home page of my project March 22 is available. Everything is same. Okay, now my requirement is I would like to create a machine into the Google Cloud. So what I'm doing it, anyone knows the machine name into the Google Cloud? Anyone of you?
EC2
In
is the version.
Compute engine.
Yes. Whoever has given the answer compute engine, the answer is correct in terms of Google Cloud. Whoever has told EC2, your answer is correct. But we are in Google Cloud, so EC2 is the AWS answer. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if you are into the AWS cloud, your answer is absolutely correct. But we are into the Google Cloud, so the answer is compute engine. Okay, in the compute engine, I'm coming to the VM instance step, and now what will happen? I'm into the home page of the virtual machine. At this point in this environment, none of the machine is available. Cool. What I'm doing it, I'm creating an instance. How can I create the instance? I click on the create instance. As soon as I click on the create instance, what will happen? One of the template has been opened. In this template, we have to fulfill the details and then only the particular machine will be available. Are you agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone of you tell me your name. Who need a higher package job? Tell me.
Ashwin.
Ashwin,
Prasad.
Ashwin, Ashwin, Prashant, Ashwin and Prashant both. Okay, so I given this name. Now I'm not touching at this point this configuration, but I am getting 2 CPU and 4 GB RAM wala machine. Okay, I will get 2 CPU and 4 GB RAM machine configuration. I will get it. Here, first step, I just given a Ashwin name, nothing else. Means my first click on the Ashwin name. Second click, I'm doing it here. I'm just changing the operating system. Yes, can you tell me which one is the most popular operating system?
Ubuntu.
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 Okay,
Debian.
I'm taking the Ubuntu one. Okay, Ubuntu is the most popular version. Which version of Ubuntu? If someone will ask this question into the interview, which version of Ubuntu
practice
you are
tools.
Ubuntu
using?
20.4 long-term
Roshan,
support.
Long term.
Roshan, be silent from now. Which version, guys? Which version?
22.
20.4.
20.4. Okay, I'm clicking Ubuntu 20.4 LTS version is getting used. Okay, why I'm concentrating on this? Because when you say I'm using the Ubuntu, interviewer will ask which version of Ubuntu you are telling using, and you will give the wrong answer and you will get rejected. Agree? It happens,
Yes.
Yes.
right? So keep remember. Okay, 20.4 version we are using. Tell me any number between 10 to 30. Any number?
20.
15.
8.
20. Okay, some people are telling 20, I'm taking 20. Okay, 20 will be my disk size. My Ubuntu is the operating system, automatically 20.4 version has been came and 20 GB is the size. First click I provided on the name, second click I did on the operating system change, third click I did on the size change. Till now I did only 3 clicks. All good?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm coming into the network tab and I'm allowing the traffic because this machine will be available in some different location, but I would like to connect from my account, my current location, so I'm just allowing the internet traffic here. And as soon as I will click my fourth click create button, my machine is ready. Okay, in the next 20 seconds my machine will be ready. Have you understood how to create a machine into the cloud?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
But
I'm
sir,
repeating.
why you're using HTTPS?
Because see, this machine is available into the US central location. I am sitting into the Bangalore location. From Bangalore to the US, how I will connect? With the help of internet. Correct?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? And the internet connection also should be secure. That's why I'm connecting. I'm allowing the internet secure connections enabled.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Guys, I'm doing it one more time. Okay, if someone missed it, let's watch it again. Create instance. Okay. Anyone else? Name please, any one of you?
Ajay.
Ajay, Ajay. This time I'm creating a Ajay machine. Okay, all the default configuration I'm taking it. I'm coming into the operating system. I'm changing the operating system to Ubuntu Ubuntu. Okay, and after that 20.4 version came 10 in place of 10. I'm taking 15 GB now. Okay, my two options are done. Networking this and this, and as soon as I click on the create, my machine will be ready. Got
Load
it?
balancer is not needed. Third one.
Which third one? Load balancer. At this point, I'm not creating any load balancer, so not needed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, guys, if I will click on the create, my machine will be ready. You learn this activity, yes or no? If someone will ask how to create the machine, you will say this option, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
But do you think that this is the best option? You have to use it in the IT organization for more than
No.
20 lakh package or 30 lakh package?
No.
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 Okay, for 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh package, this option is good because this is also a manual activity. I'm doing a manual activity, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If someone will tell you you have to create a 20 machines with the help of automation, how you will do it?
Using Terraform,
We have to use some tool, one of the option. Okay, what else?
In AWS Cloud Foundation.
PowerShell. Using PowerShell
PowerShell
also.
means we need some automation scripts, correct?
Yes.
And at this point, who will able to write this code? Any one of you able to write the code?
No.
Anyone here who is able to write the code? Guys, tell me, please talk with me. Is
If we
anyone
can,
available here?
No.
No,
No.
right? No one, right? And yes, we don't have to learn the coding at this point. Okay, I will show you. I will show you. See my screen. There is an option called equivalent code. Okay, you are able to see this option, equivalent code in my screen.
Equivalent code.
Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
I'm clicking on the equivalent code. As soon as I click here, complete code has been written for me.
Oh.
Guys, if you have a target of 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh package, more high package, then see here, machine name is Ajay, okay? This project, this location, this size, okay? And whatever we have selected, okay? We have selected the Ubuntu operating system. Where is that? Image equal to Ubuntu 20.4 version, okay? And somewhere 15 GB we have selected. That also will be shown here, size 15 GB. So ready-made code is written here. You can copy this code or you can run directly into the cloud shell and your machine will be ready. If I will copy and give you this code, if I will tell you to paste in your environment, you will able to do it. Your machine will be ready. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
This is called automation. Code has to be available. Code has to be get executed and environment has to be get created. That is called automation. Simple automation. Is this stuff?
No.
If you will spend some 2-3 more days time, you will able to digest this all things. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
That's it. This is what we have to do it. Okay, we have to spend time with the cloud. We have to do the changes into the environment and we can able to do it. Ankit is asking, can change it Terraform? Yes, you can. Definitely you can use the Terraform also. Okay, definitely you can use into the Terraform as well. I agree. Okay.
Vikas?
Does GCP provide free subscription, or if you want to
GCP
practice?
provides free subscription. Yes, GCP, AWS, Azure, all the major clouds provide the free subscription for the learning purpose. Okay. And we are here for the learning purpose. 3 months of the GCP account will be available or will be get created for you free of cost. Okay. Maybe in the if you want in the today's class, I can help you out today. For some 2-3 people who have ready available with the credit card, we will create an account in the today's class itself. Okay. Fine. Otherwise, in the tomorrow class, definitely we will get it created for all of you. Cool.
Yes.
Archana, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I will give a
Yeah.
small break. Let's learn some 10 commands. Okay. And then we will take a small break and then we will create an account also. Okay. In the today's class. So yes, I'm just closing this tab. Yes, this is also one of the option available. Okay. And if you will click on the create from the UI, machine will be ready. Okay. Machine is
Sir,
already ready, so
using
I'm not
this command, hello, hello.
Hmm?
Sir,
Yeah, what you're telling? Good.
using this command, we can create only one instance or both the one.
See, if you will execute one time, one time it will get executed. Okay. If you create a for loop or while loop, give the number and that many machines will be get created.
Okay, so every time we have to run this code, right? For one instance.
Every time you have to copy paste this code will be available. You have to copy paste this code and you will be able to do it.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay. And Yamini is asking, can we stop the session? No need to worry, Yamini. It's completely free of cost. You can close the account. You can what we can say. You can close the tab and restart the tab, and again it will start from the 4 hours. No need to worry for that. Okay. Now some basic interview question, guys. This machine is ready, and it has a two IPs: internal IP, external IP. What is the difference between internal IP and external IP?
Internal IP is
Private and
the
public
IP
IP.
of the virtual machine. External IP is the public IP from which we can access from the outside.
Okay. Any other answer? I'm not happy with this answer. Any other
Sir,
answer?
internal IP is
Like,
public and
Guys,
external
when
IP
you
is
are giving
private.
the answer, is that possible? You can come up with the camera so that your confidence will be more. Please, go ahead. Yes, cool, thank you. Go ahead. What is internal IP? What is external IP?
internal IP is the private IP and external IP is the public IP.
Internal IP is the private IP. Why? Because two IPs are there. Because let's assume multiple machines are there here and they want to talk with each other, so the communication will happen with the internal IPs. If external IPs are there, means if you need a connection communication from the internet, okay, at this point this machine is in the US central and I'm sitting at the Bangalore location. From Bangalore to US, how I will connect? I will connect this machine with the help of external IP, with the help of public IP. Make sense? Everyone clear?
Yes.
All good till now? And I'm connecting this machine with the help of this SSH option. If I will click on this SSH, what all things are happening, guys? Can you please help me out?
Private IP and public IP both will get transferred through SSH and it will
Keys.
connect
Don't
to
say
the
public IP. Keys are getting transferred to the virtual machine.
virtual
Okay.
machine and it will get to redirected to the terminal of the machines.
I will be redirected to the terminal. Still the answer is incomplete, Ocean.
It is also checking that whether you are authorized person to
Correct. It
check in.
is check the validation or verification that you are the authorized person. Vikas is the authorized person to go into the Ashwin machine or not. This is also incomplete. I need one more point. This is also incomplete
SS
answer.
port connection, I think 22.
Correct. With the port number 22, I have landed into the machine. Guys, so if someone will ask you, do you feel that we have to give the complete answer also? If you need a selection, are you agree? Yes, no.
Yes.
Everyone agree? Guys, so what all things happen? Let me close this. I will repeat it again because some people will say, Vikas, repeat. So I'm repeating again. As soon as I will click on SSH button, my keys are getting transferred from this account to this account. Their verification is happening. Keys are getting transferred. If the keys are validated, my connection is verified. All looks good. Then only with the port number 22, I will be landed into the machine. And congratulations, I have landed into the machine with the Vikas user into this machine. Now I'm just running the command. One command su. Okay, before that I will ask you this question. What is this tilde sign? What is this tilde sign? How many people know? Roshan, no. Ajay, no. Others, how many people knows this tilde sign?
Home directory.
Home directory of
Normal user.
Which user? Tell straightforward
Hash.
answer. Home directory of
Local user.
Local user.
what is local user? Yeah, there is no
Vikas
local
user.
user. Home
Vikas for
directory of
cloud.
the Vikas for
Vikas.
cloud account. Okay, for this user. Guys,
Yeah.
don't use the local. Where is local? We are doing everything into
Correct.
the cloud. So why you are using the local keyword? If you will use the keyword local, there may be 50% chances may get rejected into the interview. In the interview, you don't have to say that you have learned with Vikas. No, you have to say that you have did the work in your company. Are you agree?
Agreed.
And don't use the local keyword. Use that you have used the Google Cloud. If you will use the local keyword, 5 lakh package will be cut. If you will say Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, 10 lakh extra will be added in your package. Are you agree? How many people are agree with this point?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
So don't use the local keyword. Okay. Cool. And now, yes, this is a home directory of the Vikas user. Okay. Now I'm running the command sudo sudo -i. With the help of my first command, I will become the what will happen,
Root
guys?
user.
Root user.
Root user.
I will become the root user. Correct? Yes, I will become the root user. I just press enter. I become the root user, and still I'm into the home location of the root user. Correct?
Correct.
Home location of my root user. Now I would like to become the I would like to go into this location slash location or this location. What is this location? CD means change the directory. I'm changing the directory to slash. What do you mean by this? What will happen?
Root.
Change the
User
path.
of root directory.
I'm changing the path to the root directory. Okay. Earlier I was into the home location. Now I'm into the root location. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am typing the very first command ls. With the help of ls command, what will happen?
It will
Your
list the
All the
folders.
files.
All the
Directories.
files
Of
will be
directory.
listed.
Files and
Files
folders
and
are
folder
listed.
will
it
be
will
listed.
it will list out my all the files. Cool. As soon as I press enter, it is listing out whatever the files are available into this location. Guys, can anyone tell me which all these files are available? What are these files? I don't know. Can you please help me out?
These are system files.
These are system file where you can see in the Windows C drive.
Indirectly, it's a C drive of the Linux machine. Correct?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. If you are still, if someone will say, because what is this? I'm not able to understand. No need to worry. Okay. I'm showing into my PPT so that you will able to understand everything because I'm here to explain you the things. Okay. And yes, what we did in the last 5-10 minutes, we have created one of the Google Cloud machine. Okay. And machine is able to up and running. What is the name of the machine? Ashwini. Correct? Ashwini. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If you will get a Google Cloud account, you can do this 4 clicks and you can create a Google Cloud machine. Say yes or no. Or I will
Yes.
give you this
Yes, sir.
recording. You can watch it again and you can able to create the machine.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
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 Cool. Okay, the recording is already on the YouTube. You don't have to worry. Okay, you can able to do it. Okay, now we have the machine. Okay, and as soon as we are into the machine, chalo, we will park it. We will come up in some couple of minutes. Okay. I just skipped the theory. Okay. I directly came into the practical. Yeah. Now we are into the file system. This is called file structure of the Linux machine. We are into this location, correct? We run the cd slash and we reach into this location, correct? This is the same thing, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay, and this location is very similar to this location. This PC and C drive, this and this are 100% same. Okay,
Mm.
this and this are same. Okay, if you will not trust me, you can say that in your machine also you can go and check. There is a user folder, there is a bin folder, there is some etc folder is available in your Windows machine as well. Okay, now let's compare a little bit. At this point, this is slash. Okay, I will call this slash as a root. And guys, don't confuse. Root is a user also. Root is a location also. Are you agree?
Agreed.
Right? In the Linux, some people are getting confused or some interviewer will confuse you. Root is a user or root is a location. and you will say that root is a user, and you will not say root is a location. The correct answer is root is a location also. This is a location, and root is a user also. If you want to become a root user, you have to run the command sudo -i. If you want to go into the root location, you have to type cd/ and you will go into the root location. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now there is a one folder called etc where the system configurations are available. Some system configurations files are available. Similar to Windows, there is a one folder. What is that folder? In Windows, where Windows configuration files are available. This is my Windows machine. Which folder?
C folder.
Windows.
Program files.
Users.
Windows. Okay. Windows folder. Guys, don't give the wrong answer. You can give the wrong answer here. Okay. But if you will give the wrong answer into the interview, you will get rejected. Okay. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You can see it's okay, but intentionally don't give the wrong answer. Okay. Because it will become your habit to give the wrong answer. Please. Okay. The correct answer is if you will go here. In this etc system configuration files are available. That is Windows location in the Windows machine, and all these things are available here. Okay. Bin. What is bin? Anyone here? Binary files. What do you mean by binary files? Anyone here knows
Files
what is?
that are used to execute the programs.
Correct. It's a
Yes.
ready-made programs files are there. You don't have to install it. No installation required. Installation is not required. You can directly execute and it will run. That is called binary files. Okay. In Linux, there is a called binary. Okay. Whatever the files can directly run it. You can keep into the binary file and it will run automatically. We will do it. We will do it. Okay. In Windows also, I've created one bin folder. Okay. I'm going into Windows. We have some binary files like Apache, Gradle, Ashok, so many Jenkins. These are the binary files available. If I will directly click on it, it will run. So the binary files are like it doesn't require any installation. That is called binary file. If any of the file which can be directly executable or ready to run as a program, we have to keep this file into the location called bin. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. There is a one location called user, USR. What is user? Simple question. What is user location? I'm talking about this USR.
It's
Number
main
of users.
playground.
Wrong answer. User. What is USR?
Number of users using the machine.
Correct. Whatever the guys be on mute. Whoever is has a background noise. User. Whatever the users are there. Let us assume Vikas is a user. So Vikas related information will be available into the user folder. If you will go to your machine, there is a user folder. Okay. If you will go inside the user folder, you will able to see that whatever is the users has been logged in your machine. At this point, my machine name is admin, so it is called as a admin showing here. You can go to your machine and you can see that your name or your folder will be available here. Correct? That is called user
Yes.
related folder. Okay. Same thing is available into the Linux. Same thing is available into the Windows as well. Another location, TMP, temporary. What do you mean by temporary? What do you mean by
It's a
TEMP?
temporary storage
The
space.
runtime.
Temporary
Temporary
file.
space. Okay. Let's assume you have downloaded something. Okay. For before opening it, before running it, it required some extra space or some execution space. So in the temp location, this type of activities may happen. We are learning. We are just learning. So what we can do it, we can go into the temp location and we can do whatever we want to learn it. We can do. So with the help of CD, TMP. Okay. CD means, what do you mean by CD?
Change directory.
Change
Change
directory.
directory.
ED means change directory. Right now I'm into the root location. I'm changing my directory to the temp, and as soon as I press enter, now what happened? From root location I change into the temp location. Okay, means now I can do some temporary type of learnings. I can do it here. If I will type ls, what will happen with the help of ls?
Some files would
List
be
the file.
I will
Files.
list out some particular files will be visible here. Okay, now I want to create some file. Okay, I want to create some file. What is the command?
MK.
File.
Touch.
My question is
Or
file.
VI.
Touch. We can use
Nano
touch.
touch
TOUCH,
VI.
touch. Okay, with the help of touch command, let assume Karthik is giving this answer, KRTIK Karthik. So what will happen? One file has been created with the name Karthik. Okay, and I'm just typing ls and I get to know that yes, one Karthik file has been created. If I want to create a folder, what is the command?
mkdir.
Mkdir. Who has given this answer? Prasad, Prasad. Okay, so I can check it here with the help of ls command. One folder has been created or not? Yes, Prasad folder has been created. Right? With the help of cd, I can go into the any of the folder. I'm changing the directory, and now you can able to see that with the help of change directory command, I'm inside the Prasad folder. Right? Earlier I was into the root location. From the root I changed into the temp. From temp I changed into the Prasad location with the help of cd command. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm typing ls, and with the help of pwd command I can able to see that this is my current location where I am doing this work. Guys, basics you are able to understand, very basics. It's a
Yes.
very
Yes.
basics.
Yes.
Anyone here who is not able to understand this history? Okay, I'm just running this 10 command. Okay, some are repeated. Anyone here who is not able to understand this basic 10 commands, please let me know. Go ahead, guys, go ahead. You are here for the learning purpose. If you are not able to understand, it's not my success. You have to be understand all these 10 commands. Everyone? Are yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Let
Yes.
assume someone please say that because I have not understood this command. Anyone of any of the command, please
Sir,
let
I
me know.
don't understand the touch.
Touch command. Okay.
Lead
Let
command,
assume
I am not PWD.
PWD he has not understood. Okay, so what
No.
I'm doing it, there is a one more command man. Okay, man means manual command.
Mhm.
Okay, and I'm typing man pwd. Okay, at this point, so I'm explaining you, but as soon as you will run the man pwd command, what will happen? Linux will explain you what exactly this print that current directory or working location. With the help of pwd command, it will print the current working directory location. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let assume hundreds of commands are available in Linux. Let assume you don't know any of the command. What you will do it, you can remember the man command, manual command, and just type the particular command after that, and you will get the answer. Easy?
Yeah.
Yes. Easy.
Great, sir.
That's it. Okay, cool. Now what I'm doing it, I'm coming up, and yes, these are the structure available. There is one more dev folder is available where if we install anything, after installation the files will go into the dev folder. Okay, in Windows, if I will install something, where this files or folders will go, where this file will go if I will install anything. If I
Program
install
files.
Program files.
program files, yes,
x86.
program files. Okay,
x86 if it is
it will go into the program files. And guys, there are two types of program files are available. What is the difference?
32-bit and
86 is
86.
32-bit and
One is
one
32
is
bit, this is
64-bit.
32-bit, and this is 64-bit. Okay, 86 is written as a 32-bit, and program files this is 64-bit will be here. If you have a 64-bit processor, you can use the 64-bit applications as well as the 32-bit applications as well. Okay, same thing happen into the Linux also. If you have a 64-bit, you can use the 32-bit applications as well. Okay, cool. Chalo, let's come up into the PPT again. Okay, and out of that, these are the basic command we have seen: pwd, cd, ls, cat. Guys, what is cat command? Anyone knows?
It's
To view
to
the
read
content of the
read the
file.
files.
Read
Open
the
the
file.
file.
Read the file. Okay. Let us assume I am creating one file. Okay. touch touch giri. Okay, I created one file. Okay. At this point, whatever is written into this file, if I want to read it with the help of cat command, I can read it. Okay. But I'm not getting any output. Why? Why I'm not
It's
getting any
empty.
output?
There is nothing
Nothing is
written.
there. Nothing is
Because
there.
this file is
File is
completely
empty.
empty. This file is completely empty, nothing is available. Okay, so what I'm doing it with the help of vi. If you want to edit any of the file, we need a editor. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 We need a editor. In our Windows also, guys, same thing happen. If we have a one file, okay, if you want to edit that file, we need notepad, notepad plus plus or some editor. Same way into the Linux also, we need a editor, and we have a editor called vi editor in the Linux, and with the help of vi editor I can edit this file. So I'm just typing gri. Okay, giri. Okay, and I'm landed into the giri file. Okay, now I'm typing something. Okay, what I'm typing, let's go into internet, any of the website. Okay, and type some, copy something. Okay, I'm going to my website only, I'm joining into current batch, and I'm copying some information. Okay, course overview related some information, I'm just copying it. Okay, and I'm pasting it into my this file. Okay, and I pasted everything here. What exactly? Some information I copied and I'm pasting into this place. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm saving it. Okay, now with the help of cat command, earlier I was running the cat command, I was not able to read anything, but now I'm just searching with the cat command, and now I'm able to read everything whatever is available or written into the file. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what I did,
Sir, how to save that content?
okay, for that no need to worry, I will teach you. Okay, but at this point you can understand that vi is a editor. Okay, vi is a editor. Okay, in the vi editor it will be work in two modes: command mode. Giri, please be on mute, guys, be on mute, whoever is not talking. Give the respect to others, please. Do you feel that when you watch this recording the background noise will come? Do you want that? Tell me.
No.
No, right? Because this recording is only for you guys. Okay? If you get a background noise when you watch this, it will not be good. Okay? If today you will make the background noise, tomorrow some other will also do it. Okay? So please be on the mute. Humble request. Okay? Or otherwise, what we can do it, there is a space bar button. Okay? You can type the space bar, and as soon as you type, it will be unmuted. You can talk with me and leave the space bar, and you will be unmuted. Or automatically you will be on mute. Is that okay? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Cool, thank you. Okay, so what I'm telling it, with the help of VEditor, we can open or create any of the file. Okay, and in the VEditor, there are multiple modes are there: COMMAND command mode or insert mode. I will teach it into the tomorrow class. No need to worry. Okay, but there are two modes. As soon as you will type I, you will able to paste everything. Whatever you want to paste, you can paste it. And if the question is how to save it, you have to type escape double column WQ
W.
and then enter. Okay, if you type this all things, then only the file will be saved. Escape, you have to type escape double column save quite, and as soon as you will press enter, you will be landed out from the file. Got it, guys? You have to remember this. At this point it looks very tough, but there may be chances if you practice 1 or 2 times it will be easy. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, cool, thank you. Okay, so with the help of touch command, with the help of cat command, I can able to read this one. Okay, let us assume in this file at this point only one page is available in the Giri file. Okay, let us assume it has 10 pages. If you run the cat command, all the 10 pages will be read in one shot, and you will able to read all the 10 pages in one shot. No, right? So if we want to read the pages one by one, then what is the solution? What is the command we have to use it?
Head or tail.
More.
More. Okay, we have a command more, 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 and then we will type the command Giri or file name Giri. Okay, now what will happen? Slowly pages will come. Okay, if 10 pages are there, 10%, 20%, slowly pages will come with the help of more command. Got it? Now,
Yes.
what is the question? What is the difference? One of the interview question: difference between cat and more. Can anyone help me out? Can anyone give the answer? Go ahead.
It can display entire content that is available inside file, or
Perfect.
we
Very
can
good.
get only less content,
Page wise. Page wise.
page-wise content.
Is getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is one of the favorite interview question. When you write Linux into the resume, this question may come. What is the difference between cat and more? Some people will get confused. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Good, thank you. Nice. Okay, so what I'm doing it now, okay, I'm coming up into my PPT again, and let's see what all commands are there which we have missed it. Okay, head and all these things we will take care in the tomorrow class. Okay, CP, guys, simple English. CP, what will happen with the CP command?
Copy.
Copy paste. Okay, CP belong to copy paste. MKDIR, make directory.
Create.
Okay,
Yeah.
make directory. Okay, MV, what do you mean by MV? Anyone?
Move files.
Move.
Okay, move the files. Okay, but guys, if you want to rename any file, rename, how we can do it? Any idea?
We can use MV.
Move MV command.
Move MV also can be used.
Correct. MV has a two options, guys. This is also one of the interview question. What is the use of MV command? Some people will say we can move the files. Yes, your answer is correct. But if you want to rename any file with the help of MV command only, we can able to rename also. Chalo, let me do it in front of you guys. Okay. This is I am typing ls. Vinay Hemant be on mute. Okay. At this point I am typing ls, and at this point the file name is giri. Okay. So what I'm doing it, I'm typing the command mv, okay, and I'm typing giri, okay, and I just change the name. Okay, I just change the name to anyone else, anyone of your name, unmute and tell me your name.
Tarun.
Tarun, Tarun. Okay, guys, I'm running the mv command giri to Tarun. What will happen? From giri file, it will be renamed to the Tarun file. Okay, I'm just pressing enter, and I type ls. What happened? Giri has been replaced with the name, with the file name Tarun. MV command, what is it? It renamed the files. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
running the
yes.
CP command copy. I'm running the Tarun to Tarun Tarun 1. What will happen, guys, at this point if I will execute this command?
It will create one more file.
Correct. It will create one more file with the name Tarun 1. Okay. So this is called CP, copy paste. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see 2 3 more commands. Okay, and then we will wind up this session. Okay. I'm not taking these commands. Okay, rm and all the thing. I'm taking one basic utilities command which has to be used in your company's host name. What do you mean by host name? Any one of you? If I will run
The
the command
machine
host name,
name.
Machine name.
machine
Machine.
name, HOSTNAME. If I will paste this, run this command, my machine name will be visible. Ashwini Prasant is my machine name. It is visible here. Okay. If I will run the host name -i command, what will happen?
IP address.
More more information will come
It's
along with
the
host
ID
name.
name, like 10 point or
I need an exact
90.
answer. I need an exact answer. I need an exact answer.
IP address.
Which IP address? There are multiple IP
System.
addresses.
The system IP address. No.
Hemant,
Internal IP address.
guys, who is confident and give the answer? Which IP address?
Yeah, the
Internal
public
IP
IP.
of the host.
Correct. One girl was giving the correct answer. It will give the internal IP of this host machine. Okay. 10.128.15.203 is the internal IP. Because can you verify? 10.128.15.201 is the internal IP. And yes, the internal IP is visible with the help of hostname -i command. Make sense? Got it? Okay, and I'm running the uname command now. Okay, uname, uname. With the help of uname command, what will happen? It will say this is the Linux machine and it is giving the information. Okay, if I will type uname -i, okay, can you guess what will happen with this command uname -i or uname -a? I know, guys, lot of people knows Linux. Tell me the answer. Uname -a, what will happen?
Display current user list.
System
No.
and username it will show.
Enough information will show, sir. Flavor, what version.
Some more information related to your operating system. What I want from you guys, okay, uname -a, this command you have to run in your office machine, okay, office Linux server, and get to know that which Linux flavor you are using, what exactly the configuration of your Linux machine. Cool, got it? Getting my point?
Yes.
Right, so what exactly it is? It is a Linux machine. Ashwini Prashant is the name. 15.15 is the Google Cloud hardware configuration. 20.104 is the Ubuntu operating system related configuration. This has been created at this time. This is 6486 bit processor, and some more information about it. So as a homework, what I want from you, run the uname -a command in your office machine and gather the information what exactly is your current machine information. Got it? Right, and I will tell you some more commands you have to run. Free, what will happen with the free command? Tell me. Free, what will happen?
RAM
Check the
details.
status of the memory.
It will give the free memory
Yes.
information of my machine. Okay, free -h, I am running it, and I get to know that in the human readable format my machine is total of 3.8 GB. Out of that 3.1 GB is free of cost. 3.1 GB is freely available. So free -h will give the memory information. Got it? Yes, no? Okay, and I'm running one more command, df-h. Okay, and with the help of I will get the disk related
Disk free.
information of my machine. Okay, and it is telling we have chosen the 20 GB of the machine. Out of that, 18 GB is available so that I can install any of the software application into this machine. So with the
Then
help
what
of
is the difference between free and free-h?
okay, okay. See, now question came. Just give 1 minute, I will give this answer. Uname -a, free -h, or df-h. Free will give the RAM information, correct? df-h will give the disk information, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, edge belong to the human readable format. Now Giri is asking what is the difference between free. Yes, I need an answer from you guys. Free versus free-h. What is the difference? Can anyone able to give the answer?
Yeah, the free command will give the information in kilobytes, whereas
Correct.
the
It
H
will
will
give
give
the
the
answer
GB.
in the KBs. Okay. And H belong to the human readable format. Okay. Chalo, let's run the free command. I'm executing. Giri, see my screen. If I'm
Yes,
running the
sir.
free command, you can able to see that yes, some number is coming, but it is coming into the KBs. We can't able to understand, right? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, we have to do the calculation. If I will type free-h, what will happen? 3.8 is the actual human readable format, the 3.8 GB. Now we can able to understand, okay, it is 3.8 GB. But here we are not able to understand, oh, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 4 lakh. What is 4 lakh? Right?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Right?
Yes.
Same way, free-h, if you will type M, it will be give the information into the MB format. Okay? If you will type G, it will give into the GB format. But which one is the best? Out of that, guys, which one is the best? Tell me.
H.
H.
Everyone agree that H is the best option?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Yes. Because see, H is giving a readable format. M is also correct answer, but it is giving into the MB. And 3900 MB difficult to understand. Okay, and it is giving it to a GB. So answer is correct 3, but it has removed the after the floating values. So which one is the best option? Free-h.
H.
Yes, so
Happiness.
I'm giving you homework. Okay, you have to run this 3 command in your office machine. If you don't have the office machine, no need to worry. Okay, some people will complain because I don't have the office machine. It's okay. At least you have to remember it. This 3 commands, right? Yes or no? Are yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes.
your small homework. Okay. Let's run the see that how many commands we have executed in the today's class. HISTORY. I'm running the history command, and yes, around 33 commands we have executed overall in the today's session. Correct? Some will be repeated, so I can say that around 20 commands we have learned in the today's session. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So is that possible? You can practice this 20 commands, every one of you.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
could you
sir. It's
also
possible.
copy this all
Yes,
these
yes.
command in text?
I'm pasting it. I'm giving you right away into this place. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I given into the chat box. But because this is not a good way, if the Zoom meeting will be gone, everything will be gone. Okay. So we have created a GitHub repo also for you guys. Okay. GitHub of my batch 38. Okay. Where is batch 38? BATCH hyphen 38. Okay. Yeah. Here is the repo. I will give you the URL of this repo. At this point, this is empty. Nothing is available here. Okay. And I'm creating a one file here, add file. Okay. I'm just giving a name here, day 1 of the Linux. Okay, day 1 Linux Linux. Okay, and we have executed the 30 command in the today's class. So I'm giving this link. Okay, I'm saving it into the GitHub, and this is the link I'm giving to you. Please remember that 30 commands, whatever we have as a homework, you have to remember this 30 command. Got it? I given this link into the chat box. Cool. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, and if you want that, because give me this into the WhatsApp group also, I'm ready to give you into the WhatsApp group also. Okay, batch 38. Okay, some are the registered student, all the registered students are here, and some are non-registered students which are available into the batch 38 day 1. So I'm inviting you, some unregistered student guys, whoever is not yet registered. Okay, or if you're not into any of the WhatsApp group, please join this group. Okay, and whoever already into any of the batch 38 group, no need to join multiple groups, please. Is that okay? Hurry, yes, no. I
Yes.
given a
Yes.
link. joined. Good, Lalit, you are not in any of the group. Please join it. Please, others, please, whoever is not in any of the group, please join it and make your questions or discussion into this group. Please. Okay. Please
Yeah,
join
I've
this
just
WhatsApp group.
yeah, I've joined now.
Cool. Lalit has joined. Mohan Kumar has joined. Guys, please join it. And can you write it? How was the today's class? Guys, I want every one of you, you are sitting in one of the WhatsApp group. Can I get one line feedback for you? How was the class? You are able to understand? How much percentage you are able to understand? That's the important thing. How much
It's
percentage you are
more
able to
than
understand?
60% I got to understand today.
How much, Lalit? How much you understood?
It's more than 60%, yeah.
60%. I'm not happy with 60%. Why 60% only?
Because I'm not able to just go with the commands before. That's
Okay.
why.
This is the very first class?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, cool. No need to worry. In the first class, if you are able to understand 60%, tomorrow, if you want to be on the 100% side, be with the camera. Is that okay? Guys, how many people has understood the today's session? Come up with the camera, please. Come up on the camera. Let me see how many people are able to understand 100%. Thank you. Hemant came, Giri came, Puneet, Yamini. Guys, all good? Able to understand
Yes.
the session or not?
Yes.
Not overloaded or not bouncing? Don't
No.
say first session is bouncing, okay? Please.
Simultaneously, I can practice actually.
Good, very good. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, guys, I want you to practice simultaneously. Is that okay? So if the first class
Yeah.
you are using with the mobile phone, that's okay, acceptable. Okay, but in the future, don't join with the mobile phone. Come up with the laptop. Okay, come up with the basic laptop, whatever the laptop you have. Okay, come up with that, and in the tomorrow class onwards, I will teach you the Google Cloud account as well. We will create a Google account and we will continue the session. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, and what all things I'm going to cover up in the tomorrow session, I will show you. Okay, tomorrow, no theory. Okay, no theory, completely on the practical side. Means whatever the command we missed, we have not touched it. Okay, very less command we have touched it today. So whatever the command we have not covered up, we will cover up that command. Point number one. Okay, we will complete around 15 to 20 more basic commands. After that, we will go into the system administration commands or monitoring related commands. Okay, so I want you to be 100% focused so that you will able to digest these commands. Okay, after that we will go into the some user related activities, user related commands I will teach to you. Okay, after that I will take you into the networking related commands. Okay, and then that's it. Means three varieties of commands, varieties of 10 10 20 20 commands I will give it to you. Means 30 to 40 new commands I will give it to you. And then there are so many more commands are there, but I will take you into the some process, because as soon as you will join any of the company, your manager will ask to give the public key or private key. Which key you will give it to your manager? Any idea?
Public. Public.
Public or private?
Public.
Private.
Public or private?
Public. Public.
Public.
Public.
Yes, give the public key only. Whoever is playing the private na, that will be your last day. Okay, don't share the private key with your manager or team, please. Okay, otherwise your first day become the last day. So please, we will learn that part in the tomorrow class. Okay, after that we will go more deeper into it. Okay, and I will teach you what all concepts are there for the public key, private key, how the encryption happen, what all encryptions will happen. After that we will go more deeper into it. Okay, how the connectivity happen with the help of keys. Okay, then we will go more deeper into it about the vi editor. Today I just directly use the vi editor, but in the tomorrow class I will teach you the tips and tricks related to vi editor, how we have to use it. Okay, what all ways we can use it, how we can use the escape command, how we will come into the command mode, how we will come into the inside mode. We will go into that part. Okay, and you have to give me 3 4 days, for minimum 4 days, to explain the Linux. Is that okay?
Sure.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, and just if someone is asking, Vikas, can we get this PPT? This PPT is already with you. This PPT is already with you. How many people has already this PPT? You have
No.
this? No? Who is telling no? Who is telling no? I will show you. You have the PPT already. How many people are telling they don't have the PPT? Are tell me. Samir is telling no. What about others? Tarun, you have the PPT?
Yeah, sir.
You have? Okay, good. Or what we can say? Sneha, you have the PPT? Jivan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cool, thank you. Okay, guys, yeah, now whoever is the registered student, the PPT is already into the LMS system. As soon as you will come to the website, I will come up into the website. Okay, I will show you. Okay, where is the PPT? Just give me a second. Okay, I'm coming into the website. As soon as you will come into the www.clouddevopshub.com, okay, as soon as you will come into this website, if you are a registered student, okay, if you are a registered student, okay, if you will click here, one second. If you are a registered student, as soon as you will log in it, you will click on the dashboard. As soon as you will click on the dashboard, what will happen? This package will be available for you. Okay, this package means where is the package? Oh, I have removed this user. This package will be available, and in the batch 38, as soon as you will go into the batch 38, you will able to see. I don't have the license for this. Okay, I will show from the admin panel. No worries. Okay. As soon as you will go into the website, you will click on the dashboard. Okay, as soon as you will come into the products, okay, as soon as you will click into this link, okay, course builder, and I given one of the video also. The day 1, day 0 PPT videos are available here. Day 1 PPT video is available here. Day 2 video PPT is available here. Day 2 video PPT is available here. And module 2, this is Linux, this is module 2, and Linux module 2 PPT is also available here. Okay, so you have to go to LMS system and you will able to see everything inside the system. Okay, because on the YouTube, do you feel that I can provide the PPTs, videos, recordings, everything? Recordings I can provide it to you, but do you feel that PPTs and everything will be available into the YouTube? Is that possible? Tell me. Are tell me. No, right? Are tell me yes or no? Or is that possible? I can send you into the WhatsApp groups. Otherwise, every day you will ask the PPT with me. Agree?
Agree.
Right, because where is the PPT? So we have a LMS system. As soon as you will join our batch, as soon as you will come up in our batch, you will able to see all the PPTs, videos, everything inside a single place. Okay, cool. And we will meet tomorrow. Okay, and yes, PPT is available, no need to worry. 66 pages are there, all complete PPT is available into this place. Okay guys, how was the session? How much you are able to understand? If you are not able to understand, let me know please. Any of the thing which you are not able to understand?
Hi, Vikas. I have
Yeah.
one doubt. Can you
Wait,
please explain about root user and the pseudo user?
okay, root user and sudo user indirectly both are same. Okay, is
Yeah,
it
but
okay?
the
Sudo
restrictions
is,
are
see,
different.
no, sudo is a command. We are running the sudo as a command. Okay, and when we run the sudo command sudo -i, we will become a root user. Indirectly both are same, but root is a location as well as root is a folder as well. Got it? Both are indirectly same. Okay, but when we are changing any of the user, we will go with the help of sudo -i. Sudo is a command.
Okay. But like we have some restrictions, right? If we'll run with the pseudo user.
With the sudo user, we will not have any restriction. If we will become a root user, we will not get any restriction. If we are a normal user, we will get lot of restrictions to use any of the application or to use any of the activity into the Linux. We can't do most of the activity like installation activity, changes activity, for file configuration, read files. Sometimes only read can be possible, write or execute cannot be achievable with the help of normal user. In the tomorrow class, what I will do it, I will create a one more user in front of you, and I will take some examples. Is that okay, Yamini?
Sure. Yeah, sure,
Okay.
Vikas. Thank you.
Because if I will take it into practical way, it will be helpful for you.
Thank you.
Any other question, guys? If nothing, can we wind up the today's session? Can we wind up?
Access not given for LMS. That's it.
Sumit, right away. Okay, let me stop the recording and I will give you the access right away. Okay, I'm stopping the streaming on the YouTube, guys. If you're watching on the YouTube, no need to worry. You can just reach out to my team, any of the member, Cloud DevOpsHub, or you can reach out to me also. Okay, if you will read the description, you will get all the details. So you can just come up and read the description. Okay,